Hello everyone. As we all know that information retrieval is foundation to any application that surfaces text and vectors. Azure AI Search, formerly known as cognitive search, provides secure information retrieval at scale over user-owned content in traditional and generative AI search application. Azure AI Search provides a search engine for vector search, for full text search, as well as for the hybrid search. It provides rich indexing with integrated data chunking and vectorization, lexical analysis for text, and optional applied AI for content extraction and transformation. Azure OpenAI, at the other end, helps you to understand natural language, while Azure AI Search helps to make search super fast and accurate. Join me to learn how to use Azure AI Search with Azure OpenAI to create enterprise search and chat application on June 1 at Microsoft Mumbai office in Build with Gen AI event. We have tremendous sessions planned as well as speakers lined up there. See you soon, friends.